Greetings traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on Indicators at the top of the chart, search for TopstepX, and then click on the name of the indicator you wish to add to your chart. Click on the star to add it to your favorites, which will then add it to the top of the list. The TopstepX Trend Magic Indicator is an ATR, or average true range, based indicator that changes color when momentum changes direction. To customize, mouse over the name of the indicator and click on the settings icon. Under the input section, there are three options to choose from. CCI period specifies the number of previous candles to use for the commodity channel index calculation. ATR period specifies the number of previous candles to use to calculate the average true range. ATR multiplier is the value used to multiply the ATR. This will increase and decrease the distance of the trend magic plot line. Under the style section, you can choose the line color, the line style, and the line type. The TopstepX Trend Magic Indicator is similar to Super Trend, but definitely not the same. You can see the difference here on the chart. Give it a try.